Ndewo, kekime. Aha m bụ Ijeọma. M na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Okay? Nọ. Taa, m nwere obere okwu. Taa, m nwere obere okwu m ga-ekwu. Okay? Ihe m nwere ikwu bụ maka ịmụta Igbo. Okay? Ihe m nwere ikwu bụ maka ịmụta Igbo. Otu ihe dị mkpa maka onye na-amụ Igbo bụ ịchọ enyemaka. Enyemaka dị mkpa. Okay? Chọọ onye ga-enyere gị aka. Chọọ nwanne ma ọ bụ enyi ma ọ bụ onye nkụzi. Ngwa ka m kwuo ya na Bekee. So I have a very important tip for you if you're learning Igbo, okay? And it is to get help. I know sometimes it's good to learn things on your own. Maybe when you're beginning, you've done a few things on your own, but at certain time, at some point, you will need help with just speaking. Okay, you need to speak with somebody anyway, don't you? So get help, a friend, family member, or get somebody to coach you, get the teacher. Okay? Because that will motivate you, that will keep you accountable, it will make you consistent, it will get you a speaking partner. There's so much advantages from getting help. Okay, so when you get help, you're not only getting somebody to speak with, you're getting somebody that will keep you accountable, because if you have a set time to meet that person, you will show up. Okay, so you're going to be showing up, you're going to be consistent, and when you're consistent, you make progress and you speak better. Inola Ogula Koham Nono. I have finished what I came to say. Kodio Nasukibo.